Hi, I'm going to show you the next steps to browse the results of the bib tagging produced by Tagily. So please, if you didn't watch the other video where I have shown how to do the upload, please watch that first and then move to this one. So we finished the video there with this screen over the event where we have verified that 3 images got correctly uploaded and 3 images got correctly tagged. Excellent. So what we need to do now is to create a tagger user. Let me type the password here. Okay, here we go. And now we go to the sessions. I didn't explain what are the sessions. The sessions are sessions mean working sessions for the target over the images of an event. So basically, I uploaded a bunch of images over an event, and I can associate part of these images to a tagger user through a session. And this is what we are going to do. When you open the tab session, you can pick up the event, and it will show you, the software will show you the list of the uploaded images. And you please make sure you do this only when you have finished the uploading. You must have finished the uploading to do properly the creation of the new sessions. So here you will have a list of the upload user, and for each upload user you will see the folder hierarchy that you created. It will be preserved. It will always be preserved. And for each folder hierarchy you will see the list of images. But to be able to select images, we need first to create a new session. So you click here, create a new session here. At this point, we decide that over this session will work this tagger user, that is Geo. Test session 1 is the name. Okay. And here I have a few filters. I don't want to spend time on the filters now. They are very, very useful. Really quick, you can filter the images based on the fact that they contain at least one bib, this one, or they do not, or they contain no bibs. Okay, so the images that contain at least one bibs and the images that contains no bibs make all the images of your event, of course. And here you have the filter that tells you what are the images that have been already associated with the session and the images that have not been associated with the session. Of course, the images that fall in this category and the images that fall in this category, one plus the other, cover all the images of your event. But let's leave this aside and let's keep all this one checked. So what you just can do is to, for example, select all the images that you uploaded, and if you click here, you will see the list of the images. You can eventually remove some, but let's keep it easy. Let's associate all the images you uploaded to this session. And I click Save. So I have a new session here. That's it. So now I can go to the Tagger software. Here you go. It's opening here. I pick the test event, and next I expect to see the sessions I created. Of course, I created just one, so I will see just this one. Okay, so now I don't want to spend much time over this, but if I am working, I mean, the tagger can show you the images that have been uploaded to the cloud. So you basically you can do the tagging everywhere in the world, okay? Even far away from where the original images are. And this basically enables to have to outsource this optional reviewing step. But if you are local to the PC or to the local area network where the original images are, you have the option to use the original images that have a higher quality. Actually, not really the original images, but the images that have been imported. So if you are local and this is the case, you can click it here. This is optional. You do not need to do this. You can always leave this unchecked. And I suggest you, if you want to feel more comfortable, to leave it unchecked. But just to show you, if you want to view the images in the Tagger software with the original quality, you can check it and you can browse it for the Tagily imported image folder. Please notice that I selected this folder here, not the original images. It's very important that you pick this. And please notice that I didn't select the folder. This is the Tagily imported folder. I didn't select the name of the event. I select just the Tagily imported image. Oops, sorry. Like, here you go. Okay, here you go, like this. This is important because you can basically keep across events always this same folder, okay? But if you find it confusing, for now, for the sake of the trial, forget about it, no problem. So let's just do like this, and it will use the images saved in the cloud. The quality is decent. Okay, super cool. So now it opens and we can basically see the results. And I will not go too much in the details on how to use this Tagger software. It's very flexible. I just want to show you real quick that you get basically the same results as we have seen in the web demo. I just show you that there are two different colors for the automatic tagging, red and green. Actually, there could be even orange. And the color is given by the quality metrics that Tagily computed over the bibs. And the quality metrics are based on the blurriness, on the size, and on the proximity to the image borders. So if any of these metric is low, you will have it in orange color. And if it is very low, you will have it in red color. And keep in mind this, because when we export the results, we will have the option to export all results or all results except the red ones, or all results except the red and the orange ones. Of course, if you can imagine, you will want to sell the pictures to the bibs in green, probably. Very unlikely the guy behind that far away will want to buy the 13, I mean, okay, will want to buy the image. But that's up to you. So you can export whatever results you want. Let's see the next. Okay, so this is a panoramic view. So this is the bib tagging over the images. And for example, let's say that we are satisfied with the reading, but we want to add 1026. I can do this. This is optional. This is not mandatory. I'm just showing this to you, okay? Please notice that it read even highly occluded images, or you may want to verify and remove the 36. So I can go here and remove it because it was wrong. By the way, it was red, so it would have been removed. Let's go to the next one, and it seems all correct. That's it. So our reviewing is done. There are many other features in here. I don't have the time and I don't want to go in the detail of this. Let me close it. Now let's go to the export. Cool. So let's go to the export. You need to select the event for which you want to export the results. And there are several strategies. I don't want to go in the detail of this. They are all clearly described. Let me just embed the results into the images, okay, in the EXIF metadata. So it is the IPCT keywords. And here you can decide if to filter out what we saw as red bibs and orange bibs. Let's say that I do not want to filter. I filter nothing, no filter. Keep all bibs, even if have poor features and tolerable features. So I keep this. Basically, I keep also the red and the orange ones, referring to what we just saw before. Again, we find here the imported images folder, and as you understand now, the imported images folder is always the same, is this one, okay? And here, for example, I can decide if I want to inject the results into those images, or if I want to copy those images in another folder and over the copy of them to inject the results. So let's pick this one. Let Tagily insert the EXIF in the EXIF metadata, the results. Before starting the export, let me just show you the content of the images here. If I go here you go. Okay, so the images here have no tags, no specific metadata with the results right now, okay? And I am in the Tagily imported images folder. Let me start the export. IPCT keywords will be added on the images in imported image folder. Are you sure? Yes, I am. Okay, it has been done already. And as you can see, now I have the tags in here. Okay, let's go here, and I have the tags. In this way, for example, you can upload these images to SmugMug or to Zenfolio or to PhotoShelter or to Instaproof or to whatever other third-party commerce for photography, and they will be able to filter or rank or search the images by bib number. That's it. I think that gives you the description of the basic workflow of Tagily with the PC application. Thank you, hope you enjoy, and don't hesitate to ask questions. Bye-bye.